Today marks the start of Black History Month, and one civil rights leader that left a lasting impact on the world had deep local roots. 10 News anchor John Carlin introduces us to Oliver Hill, a man that was an important figure in Brown versus the Board of Education.
Civil rights leader Oliver Hill grew up in Roanoke, and in November of 2018, the Commonwealth and the city unveiled a marker in front of his childhood home.
This is a historic moment.
Hill, an attorney, helped dismantle Jim Crow laws in the South as part of the legal team in the famous Brown versus Board of Education ruling that helped end segregation in schools.
It wasn't about brown people, it wasn't about white people, it wasn't about Native Americans, it was about injustice. And so everyone that you can touch was impacted.
Brown versus Board to lawyers is this incredibly important thing that we study for extended periods of time. It changes the way you think about the Constitution.
But the city wasn't done honoring Hill. In May of 2019, Roanoke named the city courthouse after him, his late son, on the day of the dedication.
When we drove up, my mother-in-law started crying because from her generation, most of their activities were never acknowledged, and so this acknowledgement of my father's work, I think, had a real strong meaning for her.
And although Hill won that case decades ago, there is still work to do.
This fight is still going on. I mean, he was part of the Brown decision, which was 65 years ago, and we still don't have equality in the schools. Well, I hope that this is going to inspire another generation of civil rights lawyers. Maybe as people go in and out of this building, they will be inspired to seek justice for all.